Okay, let me get it. Okay, wait. Let me go.
You get instructions.
We know what to do.
Yeah.
Let me go get it.
See, and then there's the one. Do we need one more?
Anh tu lên ấy thầy.
I have napkins. Sorry.
Okay, thank you.
These are your heart. Listen.
1, 2, 3. Eyes on me.
1, 2, eyes on you.
Okay, eyes on Miss Anthony and turn on your listening ear.
All you're gonna do is you're gonna take your glue and just put it all over your heart, okay? And then you're gonna take the little pieces of crepe paper and you're gonna kind of wad them up a little bit, and then you're gonna stick them to the heart. So it looks like it's gonna look like this. It's pretty simple.
So cute.
So that's it.
So cute. Cute, 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 cute.
So just have a stare.
I have extra hurt if you want.
Beautiful, beautiful.
Okay, go put in the dryer. Very good. Go to the dryer rack.
All right, you do that good.
Khanda dona ang. Khanda dona. Ang sete to tene. Khanda dona ni.